Okay, we're going to do a restaurant review today. This is the Golden Bee, established in 1961 up in Colorado Springs at the Broadmoor. So we'll let you know how much food we eat.
It's your first time here at the Golden Bee?
Yeah, first time here, yes.
Welcome. My name is Jessica. I'll be taking care of you.
Say hi to us.
Hi, what are you doing with the video?
We are going to have a restaurant review because I have 3 or 4 people on YouTube that actually watch me.
Oh, very nice. That's cool. An influencer. Nice.
Yeah, that's what I am.
Our influencer.
Okay, our drinks are here. Gross.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I don't do do-overs.
Oh, that is delicious. It tastes like chocolate and love.
So what is this type of wine?
Okay, we got the cheese plate. We got an appetizer. It looks delectable. What is this?
It's some type of,
Dip? Cracker dip?
looks like it could be
Cheese based?
Is it a chutney?
Are those grapes real?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yes, they're real. Let me pluck it off.
I remember in the 70s we used to have
That would
those on
be
the table. They
chutney.
were plastic.
That's
That's real. That's delicious. Food is here. I got the bangers and mash. You know, you got fish and chips. More bangers and mash. What did you get?
your guess is as good as mine. It's curry.
Curry. You got the curry. I thought this was an Irish restaurant, not an Indian restaurant.
There's a lot of Indian influence in that.
Because you know what, England had India for a colony for years and years.
Yeah, there was colonization, so they have great Indian food in England.
Okay, most of us are done. Millia's still eating her fish and chips. The needs was awesome. We all tried it. The bangers and mash were fantastic. I really like these knives they gave us. Those things are fantastic. How was your fish? Great. Check out the carving. Oh, wow. This whole atmosphere in here is awesome. It's so loud, but it is just beautiful. The wood on here is beautiful. So I forgot what it was called again. The Golden Bee. The Golden Bee up in Colorado Springs. This is Jessica, our server. She was You are so red. She was fantastic. Best server in the entire restaurant. Yes. We are. Thank you. Thank you very much. Loved it. Okay, it's the next morning. The Golden Bee was fantastic. If you enjoy videos like this, we'd love it if you'd like and subscribe and follow along with this on our travels. Thank you very much.